A function is a way of packaging together multiple lines of code in a way that allows them to be easily used wherever needed. In effect, it removes the need to copy and paste lines of code around our program when needed because instead of copying them, we just call the function that contains them. Practically speaking, this is like dynamically inserting the lines of code from the function into the rest of the code and running them right there. Now you've already seen some examples of functions. This isn't because we were trying to get ahead of ourselves, but rather it's because functions are so fundamental to modern programming that it's difficult to show anything without using some functions. Even something as fundamental as printing to the console is usually run through a function. In practice, functions behave just like operators. They take some input and they produce some output. Operators are simply like low-level, extremely common functions, but every operator could be rewritten as a function. The real power of functions is their ability to take lots of different pieces of input and produce some output. You could, for example, have a single function called validatePurchase that takes as input the customer's name, credit card number, purchase amount, current balance, retailer name, and so on, and returns just simply either true or false to indicate whether the purchase is valid. This goes far beyond just adding or subtracting a couple numbers. Functions can handle complex operations.